Procedure was fantastic. Came in very straightforward, quite comfortable. Team was very professional, friendly.
Shane, he's 39 years old and 1 year ago had a hair transplant. He presented to us with a Norwood 3 pattern, which is bitemporal hair loss predominantly. No.
I'm not.
The photos we send, we will have him crop it. So that's all I have for now. It's a placeholder.
Okay, go ahead.
It's a placeholder. So it's a Norwood 3 pattern bitemporal hair loss. And so we carried out the hair transplant, and he's back here 1 year later for a follow-up. And I'm going to show you what he looks like. This is amazing. It's very high density and a very natural hairline. Exactly what one would wish for. That's his hair that he had previously. Actually, we filled that in as well because he's losing some density in the front. And to the other angle, to your left, please. And here again, very high density and very natural hairline. And I'm glad we are getting this video because it allows the viewer to appreciate what can be done. It doesn't always turn out this way, but this is a really, really good result. And I'm very happy. And you can see here, chin down please, a natural transition from the transplanted hair to the natural hair here. Very nice transition. And if you turn around please, totally. And it's because it's an FUE, this is uniform hair growth and no visible scarring. So you could cut the hair down to number 1 and still be okay. So let's turn around, face the camera, and tell me what's your experience with Sure Hair Transplants Toronto,
Procedure was fantastic. Came in very straightforward, quite comfortable. Team was very professional, friendly. Post-procedure, I was looked after. The frequent or daily phone calls were incredibly welcome going through the process.
and those are by the doctor, right?
Those are from the doctor. Phone calls from the doctor for checking in every day. Very welcome. Recovery went as expected, no trouble. And then, from what I understand, quite a straightforward recovery. Started seeing very positive results about 6 months in, and have continued to improve up until the 12-month mark now. Very happy.
And you had some compliments from people? Right?
Yes. Notably younger seems to be the most common compliment that I'm receiving.
So you're happy you went through with the transplant?
Very happy I went through with the transplant.
And you're very happy with the clinic, obviously.
Oh yes, very happy with the clinic.
Yeah, so I think there's a lot of people out there who lose hair. We all lose hair, which is normal. And then Norwood 3 pattern, that you have or had, was one of the most common patterns you see, loss of the bitemporal area. And I think from anybody viewing this video, it's good to know that you can get your hair back. And it's like you're back to being 16 again. So thank you so much.
Thank you to the team.